Hey, here I'm about to start a live video of an unboxing of that. If you can see that in the screen, it's a Hitachi TRK-5330H. Alright, so let's hit done and hit start. Alright, so is it starting? There, now we're live. We're looking at the ceiling. That's great. Okay, so it's that time of day with this camera here. This is just too much fun here. Alright, so, yep. Okay, so, whoops, don't want to do that. Alright, so, and then shooting you with the camera. Alright, so, move this out. Go over. Alright, so, I'm trying to do too many things here, so that's just looking at that, looking at this, trying to maneuver two cameras here at the same time, so let's just come down here to the floor. Okay, yes, well, that's good. And then this one, it's always fun to set up all these cameras. So there's the box I'm going to do, the one with the scissors on it. Okay, and then over here I do have a national. Okay, so just get right to it here. So let's see here. So I don't want to show the address and all that, but okay, so there's that. So hopefully, let's see here. Yeah, let's just get this over here. Here's a cassette. Here's the box. Alright, so, and let's see here, just this got here today. So I gotta do it. Well, there's another. I didn't even see that. Hopefully that's not mine. Okay, so. Okay. Uh-oh. We got peanuts. Got lots of peanuts. Uh-oh. Not that many. I lost 2 peanuts already. Well, I should teach people how to do these things. Right, well, there's the radio. Alright, so this will be a short video. Easy to unpack. So this. So just push this up here. Here's another power cord. Okay, hopefully this will stiff. Alright, so let me just hold this up to you here. Looks like that. Okay. Looks like this. That there. That there. Another piece. And then the bottom and the back. So there's the back. Right? Here's the back. Alright, so it looks like that, this. Well, now, they said in the happy little text listing that they tested the radio sounded great. Let's make sure the volume's down. Okay. So, and then but they couldn't press the buttons because they didn't have a cassette, right? So It's on tape. Let's hit the buttons, see what happens. Well, okay, that works. Let's see. Play. Nothing. Is the capstan turning? Well, capstan could turn. Let's hit stop. Rewind. Nothing. Fast forward. Nothing. Okay, so, but I'll let you listen to it. You hear the motor running? So the motor's running. The motor's running, but it doesn't do anything. Okay? Alright, so stop and radio. Okay, well, radio, wait.
Big yardage here on the run. Say that. Some vegetables with absolutely.
Okay, so the radio AM and FM works. Okay, tape deck, the motor runs. That's why they said it was tested, or not tested, or whatever. But the reason why I got this because it has auxiliary in. Okay, has auxiliary in. So, and this has a variable monitor. You know what variable monitor means, right? It means with your line in, you can adjust the volume and it should work like that. So this just needs a belt. Let's see what's in the battery compartment real quick. Oh, got power cord. Another power cord I'll never use. The battery terminals are fairly clean. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. And see you up there on Facebook, and that's it. So another radio to play with. Gotta run the vacuum again. Alright, well, I've had too much fun here. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta I will say that I have a, let's see here if I can I do have one of these, a National Panasonic that I'll upload, open in another video. I forgot about that one. But that one only works on 4 D cells, whereas the other one works on 6 D cells. Right? So let me just take this off the thing here. Right, so, yeah. Alright, well, once again, I have those 2 to ship out. I have these to work on. And all the rest of these. Yeah, no one's watching. That's why it's just too boring. Okay, yeah, just too boring. Yep. Yeah, it's just too boring. There, let's just stare at one another. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.